Welcome everyone! Let's start with a chuckle. Why did the dropshipper break up with his girlfriend? Because he found a supplier who could deliver better. I know, it's a bit of a groaner, but it's all in good fun. Laughter is a great way to kick things off, especially when we're about to dive into something as exciting and potentially lucrative as dropshipping. So, chuckles aside, are you ready to explore the fascinating world of dropshipping in Ethiopia? Now that we've got the jokes out of the way, let's dive in. Dropshipping in Ethiopia has become a lucrative venture for many entrepreneurs. But where do you start? Well, dropshipping is a business model where the retailer doesn't keep goods in stock. Instead, when a product is sold, it's purchased from a third party and shipped directly to the customer. This means you, as a dropshipper, don't have to worry about inventory or delivery logistics. Ethiopia, with its rapidly growing internet penetration and digital-savvy population, offers a fertile ground for this business model. The rise of online marketplaces and e-commerce platforms has made it easier than ever to connect sellers, dropshippers, and customers, leading to an exciting boom in digital entrepreneurship. The potential benefits are numerous: lower capital requirement, reduced risk, flexibility in product offering, and the chance to tap into a growing market. So you're probably wondering, where do I start? Well, hold on to that thought. Now, let's explore the 3 major places to start dropshipping in Ethiopia. The first place to consider is Addis Ababa, the bustling capital city with a growing e-commerce market. Known for its vibrant culture and youthful population, Addis Ababa is Ethiopia's economic hub, with vast opportunities for dropshipping. The city boasts a high internet penetration rate, providing an extensive customer base for your business. Next, we have Dire Dawa, the second largest city in the country. This industrial city is a gateway to eastern Ethiopia, boasting a diverse market and strong economic growth. Dire Dawa is especially promising for entrepreneurs due to its strategic location and rapidly expanding digital infrastructure. Last but not least, Mekelle, the capital of the Tigray region. Mekelle is an emerging city with a growing young and tech-savvy population. It presents an untapped market with great potential for e-commerce, making it an ideal place for dropshipping. Remember, the success of your dropshipping business largely depends on your understanding of the market, and these cities provide a great starting point. In conclusion, starting a dropshipping business in Ethiopia is a promising opportunity for entrepreneurs. We've learned that the key places to kick off such a venture are Addis Ababa, Dire Dawa, and Mekelle. Remember, understanding the local e-commerce landscape and conducting thorough market research are paramount. This will guide you to the products that resonate with the Ethiopian market. So if you're looking for a business opportunity with a wide customer base and minimal upfront costs, dropshipping in Ethiopia might just be the perfect fit for you.